Hello, moms and dads. Welcome back to our channel 9 Mantras. This is Dr. Fatima, a clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. Winter is here, and as much as we love the season, it's important to take extra care for our little ones. Cold weather can be harsh on babies' delicate skin and body. So, today I'm going to walk you through a complete winter care routine for your baby, from the best moisturizers to clothing tips, do's and don'ts, and everything that you need to know to keep your baby safe and comfortable this season. Let's start with moisturizers. Babies have a very sensitive skin, and the cold weather can make their skin dry and prone to irritation. Here are some tips on how to protect your baby's skin during winter. So let me help you out with the moisturizers. Look for a fragrance-free hypoallergenic baby moisturizer. Cream-based moisturizers work better than lotions during winter because they are thicker and lock in moisture for a longer period. Always apply cream immediately after giving bath when the skin is still slightly damp. This helps seal in the moisture. Make sure to apply extra cream on baby's cheeks, hands, feet, around the diaper area, as these areas tend to get drier during winters. If your baby's skin is extra dry, you can try using oils like almond oil, coconut oil. Just be careful with the products with harsh chemicals or artificial fragrances. The next up is bathing time for your baby during winters. Too much time in bath can strip the skin of its natural oils. Keep the time to about 5 to 10 minutes and use lukewarm water instead of hot water, as hot water can dry out the skin. Choose a soap-free or moisturizing cleanser to avoid stripping the baby's skin of its natural moisture. When drying your baby, gently pat them with a soft towel. Avoid just rubbing, as this can cause irritation to baby's skin. Now coming to the important part of this video, that is winter wear. Babies need to stay warm, not overheated. Layering is key. Dress them in layers, cotton onesies or thermal bodysuits as a base layer, followed by a soft sweater, and top it off with a warm jacket or snow suit if you are heading out. Layers trap heat and allow you to adjust to the changing temperature easily. When you are indoors, avoid heavy sweaters or thick blankets, as this could make baby too warm. It's better to go for light woolens or cotton clothes. Keep their head, hands and feet warm, because babies lose lot of heat through their heads. So always keep soft cotton or woolen cap on. You can as well use mittens and socks to keep their hands and feet cozy. Avoid synthetic fabrics which can irritate their sensitive skin. And it's very important to watch for overheating. Check their neck and back to make sure they aren't too hot. If they are sweating, remove a layer. There is nothing without understanding do's and don'ts, right? So keep in your mind hydration. Even in winter, babies need plenty of fluids. If they are breastfeeding, continue to breastfeed them on demand. For formula fed babies, ensure they are drinking enough to stay hydrated. You can use humidifier. Winter air can be very dry, especially with indoor heating. A humidifier in your baby's room can prevent drying of the skin, and it can as well ease breathing. Do not overbundle your baby. It's tempting to wrap them up in layers and layers of clothes, but overheating can increase the risk of sudden infant death syndrome. Stick to light, breathable fabrics for indoor wear. You don't have to skip your outdoor time. It's okay to take your baby outside even in winters. But the thing is that you have to limit the time. Just ensure that they are well covered. Fresh air is anyway good for you and your baby. And lastly, it's very important to keep your baby healthy throughout the season. Keep your baby's immune system strong. For that, you have to ensure that your baby is getting proper nutrition. And for older babies, ensure that they are eating immune boosting foods like fruits, vegetables. Talk to your pediatrician if you have got any concerns about their health. We care for mother and baby. As a bonus today, I'll be giving you some tips on mother skincare routine, or skincare tips I would say. So Moisturizing daily is very important. Just like babies, moms need extra hydration during winter. You can use thicker creams or oil based moisturizer, focusing on the areas like hands, elbows, feet, and it's very important to stay hydrated from within. So for that you need to drink good amount of water even if it is winter. You can try herbal teas. This can be, cozy alternative to water while helping you keep your skin hydrated. And your lips can get chapped, so ensure that you apply some moisturizing lip balm. Reapply often. Don't lick your lips as it can further dry them out. Dry air can make your heels rough and cracked. So before going to bed, apply a thick lotion to your feet, cover with socks and let it absorb overnight. And it's very important to nourish your skin, right? So you can use some natural oils like coconut oil or almond oil. These are great for skin nourishment. For babies, you can use a gentle baby safe oil. For mothers, applying a small amount of oil before moisturizer can help lock in moisture better. As an extra bonus, we will discuss on winter food. So during winters, it's very important to have nutritious food. In fact, it's important for all the seasons, but specifically for winters, try having food rich in vitamin A, C, and E. These help in improving your skin health. You can include carrots, spinach, oranges, and nuts for that natural boost in skin's moisture and elasticity. You can as well try hydrating face mask. This is for moms only, okay? And the weekly face mask can restore moisture to your skin. You can try DIY mask with ingredients like honey, yogurt, or avocado for a nourishing treat. And please note, sun protection is still important in winter. If you are outside, use baby safe sunscreen for baby, and you can use your sunscreen as per your requirement and reapply as per the requirement. We all love tidy hands. For that reason, we end up washing our hands multiple times, leading to dryness again. So you can keep a travel sized hand lotion with you and apply after washing your hands. And finally, keep a humidifier in the rooms where your family spends most of the time. Layer up wisely and keep your skin and your baby's skin protected with these tips. So there you have it, a complete guide to keep your baby warm, healthy, happy during winters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more baby care tips, and share it with fellow moms. Stay cozy, take care of your little ones this winter. Until next time, happy parenting.